Hello Placers! This video is the second part of the how to make a YouTube video for beginners video. I recommend that you pause this video and check that one first. Okay, now we can continue. Once your script is ready, you'll need to gather all the materials to make your video come to life. Think about the style that you want your video to take on, the aesthetics, and even the effects or images you'll want to add in afterward. Trust me, you don't need a fancy equipment. You can create perfect videos with just your phone. What I use is my camera, and depending on yours, you may need a tripod. Here's my microphone. Hello. And a lighting equipment. Again, you don't necessarily have to invest in a full light kit right away. Work with what you have. Maybe your phone and some sunlight is what you need. And finally, and the most important thing, have fun. It's now time to make it all come together through the magic of editing. Get all your assets together in your computer and start splicing your material, and put in the correct order. Programs such as ScreenFlow or Premiere Pro are a good option. And here's my tip, pay special attention to the details. A custom YouTube intro will help take your channel to the next level. Instead of using a generic design, make sure it reflects what your channel is about, your visual aesthetic, and your professionalism. Find in the description box the link to Placeit, where you can find not only YouTube intros, but everything for your channel. Create banners, slideshows, or even matching name cards. Since these templates are professionally designed, you'll get the right size image every time and a layout that will be appealing to the masses. And that's how you do it! Take your time and come up with a video that you're proud of, and then upload it to YouTube. Let me know in the comments down below if this video was useful for you, and if you want me to make more videos like this. And don't forget to like and subscribe.